Welcome to the Tampa International Mall, where there is a store here called Miniso. I've heard about it. They have it at the Florida Mall in Orlando. They also have one here in Brandon, Florida, which is east of me. This one's the closest to my house, so I'm gonna check it out. So join me on this adventure. They've got blind boxes here. So cute. Look at that. That's the little character that I like. But you don't know which one you're gonna get. Let's see how much these are. It doesn't say. I'll have to figure that out. But it looks like most of them are $17.99. This one is only $9.99. I've got quite a few to choose from. Here's this Toy Story one. That one's really cute. Disney ones, Care Bears. There's a SpongeBob. And this one's real popular, Karumi. This one you get a surprise squishy. They also have different characters. I don't know if they're all in the line of where the signs are, but there's Disney, there's Toy Story, Care Bears, all the way to the back, which I will get to, is Stitch. If you like Hello Kitty, there is a lot of Hello Kitty. I could actually use something like this for my art supplies. But I'm thinking I need like drawers. Oh, here's, this one's cute. This is cinnamon roll. That's a cute one too. Karumi. Oh, this is more what I'm looking for. Storage. But I want a different character. Actually, I don't think it has any of the characters on it. It's just, it doesn't have any characters except for the plastic wrap. I think it's just purple. Lots of Barbie stuff. If you like Care Bears, there's a lot of Care Bears here. They also have Marie. These are cute, but they're way too small for what I'm looking to use it for. I found Snoopy! I'm very excited. Maybe I could find storage with Snoopy. A water bottle. I don't need another water bottle, but it's so cute. Mugs. I don't need another mug. There's some storage stuff down here, but I don't know if it's gonna work for what I'm trying to do. Oh, more Snoopy. This is in pink. So cute. Oh, it's got the sparklies in it. Okay, I already love the store. Now we're getting to the plushie section. So soft. Oh, actually, I think it's a little backpack. That's so cute. It's Toy Story, the pig. So soft. It's $30. This is cute too. Got Pooh Bear, Tigger. Oh my gosh, look at that. A chair cushion. And there's like random stuff like Barbie and Care Bear. A lot of plushies on this side too. You've got like all these different bags and like household stuff. It's so cute. Oh, flatware set. Some more storage stuff. want a mouse for your computer, they've got some stuff here. A night light. That's cute. Snoopy headphones. Those are cute. All kinds of hair care. We have like makeup, like lip gloss and nail polish for kids. Yeah, I tried the Doritos last week. They were pretty weird. Interesting. I also heard about these shoes being really squishy. It's not my vibe, but they are cute. I guess if they're like house slippers. Well, I have my purchases and I will show you what I got when I get home. I was talking to the girl that works there and she said that this company is really growing a lot. They're planning on opening at least 2 more locations in the Tampa Bay area. So keep your eye out for one near you. Okay, I am home and we are going to open up this package. It's a really great store. I would actually like to give it more time next time, but I didn't have a whole lot of time to spend this time around because I was going to dinner. But I did buy some items. First of all, you saw this when I was looking at it. I bought this Snoopy set. I decided to go with this one instead of the Barbie one because it has, I think it'd just be easy to be stackable. And I wasn't sure what I could fit in those drawers because I wasn't sure the size, but I could at least organize some of my crafts. Like put beads in one and earring toppers in another and at least keep stuff organized because my crafting desk is a hot mess. So I'm going to use these to keep it organized. And then once these are all filled, this is the largest one, then I can just stack them. Basically, they're just pink containers with a Snoopy sticker on the top. This was, this is the receipt. This was, I spent a total of $20.34. And this particular item was only $7.99. It was less expensive than the Barbie, so that's why I got it. All right, then I got a bunch of snacks. I figured, you know, last time we were at the claw machine place in Orlando, I'll post that video here. I did some Japanese snacks. I did strange Dorito flavors. I had 2 different flavors. One was okay, the other one was not so good. So this time I asked the girl for her recommendations and she had quite a few recommendations. I actually had one thing in my hand that I put back because I've already had it. It's the marshmallows with the chocolate inside it, or the Hello Kitty ones. But she suggested all these snacks and they're, I think, going to be on the sweeter side. So she said this is more of an adult taste. She said it's like a croissant with the chocolate in the middle. And I'm wondering if it's going to be sort of close to what I had on the train in Italy. So we're going to try this out. And these are, again, these are all Japan snacks. It says the serving size, three servings. So 3 pieces for 132 calories. I'm just going to taste everything. Okay, so it comes in another little package. It smells good already. Just opening it up. And they're all in this little tray. Okay, so they look like the picture. Looks like there might be some sweetness on the top. And chocolate in the middle. I understand what she means. It's probably going to be more of an adult taste because the outside is more of a pastry with the chocolate inside, and it's not overly sweet. They're actually really good. So this is a definite yes. I would definitely get those again. They would go good with coffee. Speaking of coffee, she said these are really good with coffee. They look to me to be like those cookies you can get in a round can. This one's supposed to be vanilla with vanilla. And these are only 38 calories for a stick, I guess. And it looks like they're individually wrapped, which is nice. I didn't want to try any of this spicy stuff because it's really not my jam. I'd rather have a sweet snack. Yeah, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's see how much, I don't even know what the names of these were. The chocolate pie, which is I think what I just opened, those were $3.49. Then this one, they charged me 30 cents for the bag. I didn't have a bag. I'm thinking that these might be $1.99, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure which is which. Oh no, this says bourbon. This is the bourbon. Yeah, bourbon chocolate cookie. So these are $3.99 for a package of about, looks like 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 9 of them. Oh, there's 2 of them in here. There's 2 little pieces in here. So the whole package is only 38 calories. Not too bad. Okay, so these are like the ones that we can get here in the United States, the Americanized ones that are the cookies. These are not as sweet. No, they're sweet. They're just different. Again, I think more pastry than cookie on the outside, but these would be really good dunked in coffee too. All right, so these are a winner. I'll save this for later. Okay, next up is the crisp Choco. It's somewhere between $1.99 and $3.49. But she said this is going to taste like a Rice Krispie treat. So let's try this. And this comes in one big package. Oh yeah, look. It comes in a tray of like mini pies. Oh, this is so cute. All right, so let's try a piece. This is really good. Wow. Wow. It's different, but it's sweet and it's really good. Chocolatey. For sure. Oh yeah, that's a winner. That's definitely a winner. You could probably even put this out for snacks, like if you're having a little party or a charcuterie board. Those are definitely winners. Okay. And then I got one more in here. I like the packaging on this one. This one, I can't even remember what she said this is going to be. Quite honestly, we're going in blind. I believe this one is called Fuko Fuko Thai. I'm going to guess that's what this one is, $1.99. So, all right. Again, I have no idea what this is going to be. Oh, it's a fish. It's a fish cookie. All right, let's see. Okay. You know what this reminds me of? Well, this is really good. There's chocolate on the inside. You know the wafer crackers that are layered? That's what this tastes like. The outside is like the wafer, and then instead of having layers of the flavor, you've got like all of this like right in the middle, kind of like an Oreo. It's got just all the stuff in the middle. That's really interesting. I had no idea I was going to like the Japanese snacks, because the other stuff that they have, the ones that are like the savory ones, I don't really like so much, especially if they're spicy. I like wasabi, peas and stuff. That's not my thing. But these are really, really good. All right. Well, I will definitely be going back to that store. There's also one at the Florida Mall in Orlando. And there's also one in Brandon here in Tampa Bay, the International Mall at Tampa Bay. They are opening one at the Citrus Park Mall here in Tampa Bay, and one over in Pinellas County at Countryside. And she said they're just expanding all over the place. So I will put the link to the website below, but I will tell you, the website isn't very informative. It's a little bit informative. You're better off just typing in the name into your Google and see which ones are near you, and it should pull it up. All right, well, that was a fun little outing. So on that note, thank you for tuning into the Wonderful World of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next adventure.